Google it, it will.
Hypergeometric distribution. It will help you. It will help you, I promise you this.
Not worth it.
Not worth it? Oh my
I
god.
got 1 point.
I'm so
Like I said, actually, 2.
Good. Well, the problem with that is,
I know, not ignore that. That's
oh,
wrong.
I was going to say that's not wrong. It's that it's everything else.
Yeah, I have that.
Right.
And then when I went to go to the next one, I
Yes.
did 20 choose 0 over 80 choose 4.
You're forgetting
There's
something.
one wrong.
Good. Okay, go ahead.
Multiplied by, you get 3, so 20 choose 3
Yes.
over 80 choose 4.
Yes.
And then that's
Careful. You're forgetting something. You're forgetting the thing I was telling Michael here. No, well, that, but you're forgetting this. In this one, you got all 4 right, which means you got 0 wrong. In this one, you got 3 right, which means you got.
which is what I
You
do
have
with
to account for
this.
it. Oh, careful. Account for it correctly.
Jackson, Google hypergeometric and figure out what it is.
How dare you make me do work to earn extra credit?
I'm so frustrated.
I want you.
now,
I
'cause
want
I'm right there.
Did you already?
I want you. Okay, so friends, let's go over. I have not made your in-class exams yet, but you guys are very helpfully helping me make that right now as we discuss. It's going to be my job to go find fun data sets to play with. So I'm already kind of seeing what it's going to look like as far as what needs pieces to be on. So relative position. This is the oldest of the top. We're still running, I think, right? I probably should have turned that off during the break. Oh well. Relative position is the oldest of the lot of it. It's the oldest of the shebang. And JC was asking me a question, very, very good one, in that if I gave you a data set like this, you could run it through. Oh, that's right. You got it. You can run it through your TI and get the 5-number summary. Q1, Q3, the median, the average, all that, everything you need to get that we've been getting. But what if I asked you, what's the 40th percentile? And the reason I bring this up, I mentioned quintiles to you guys before. I've mentioned those in passing. Somebody not one of your 243 classmates, but the other 243 class sent me a really neat video that a guy had put together. I haven't fact-checked it yet. But it talks about the wealth distribution in America and what Americans perceive the wealth distribution in America as. And it's incredible how different what we perceive it is, on average, to what it actually is. And the way that the statistics are broken down in that is actually by quintile. 20th percentile, 40th percentile, 60th percentile, and so forth and so on. So, suppose I asked you in this data set, and I don't know what this data set is, it's just a bunch of numbers. But suppose I asked you to identify where the 40th percentile was. Where is the 40th percentile? Take a few moments right now and figure that out. And after you've done that, find the 90th percentile, just for practice. Right? And you might not all get exactly the same result for this, and that's okay, as long as you're close to where those values are. Okay, go ahead. Try to find the 90th and 40th percentiles of this data. I'm going to shut the camera off for a moment and have you guys kind of slug through it.